Hey guys, wanted to make a review video on this Bang Sun fridge. This stainless steel fridge, really nice looking. It is a 4 cubic square foot. So the top is a fridge and it is 275, and then the bottom is the freezer and it is 127. So you can see I've got some ice in here made. Okay, works really well. You can actually see I've been using this a while, so probably haven't defrosted this in a long time. But that's the size of the freezer. So if you don't need much space, this is for an apartment. And so here is the fridge itself. Lots of room, has spots for drinks and then door pockets as well. You can adjust the cold temperature up there. It has a light in the back. Has the nice stainless steel front and then black sides with the plug-in in the back. Very quiet, you can barely even hear it. But yeah, this has been a great fridge. Has kept stuff cold and frozen as long as we've had it. So yeah, really great fridge. If you're looking for a good one, this one definitely does the job, and it's bigger than your average college size fridge, which is probably about this big, and then has an even smaller freezer. But if you're looking for something like an apartment or just a small area, really good product right here, and has done the job. So can highly recommend. Even has a drawer right here, goes out, and adjustable. You can pull this shelf out if you wanted to. But yeah, can highly recommend. Definitely pick up a fridge if you're in the market.